Good morning, Zoya.
Good morning, Dad.
Today is moving day.
I know, Dad.
Are you ready?
I don't want to move.
I understand, sweetheart.
I love my room.
Your new room will be nice too.
But this is my home.
Our new house will be home too.
I will miss this place.
It's okay to feel sad.
Really?
Yes, change is hard.
I am scared, Dad.
Mom and I are here with you.
Okay,
Should we start packing?
I guess so.
Let's pack your toys first.
Hello, my sweet girl.
Hi, Mom.
How are you feeling?
I am sad.
I know this is hard.
I don't want to leave.
We will make good memories there too.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay, Mom.
Let's pack your favorite toys.
Where are the boxes?
Right here.
These boxes are big.
Yes, we have many things.
Can I keep my teddy bear out?
Of course you can.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's put your dolls in first.
Okay.
Be very careful.
This box is getting full.
Good job packing, Zoya.
Thank you, Dad.
What should we pack next?
My books.
That's a good idea.
I have so many books.
You love reading.
Yes, I do.
Books make us smart.
Will my books fit?
We have another box.
Zoya, look what I found.
What is it, Mom?
Your baby blanket.
I remember this.
You loved this blanket.
Can I keep it?
Of course, sweetheart.
I will pack it carefully. My room looks so empty now.
Yes, it does.
I grew up here.
You have many memories here.
I learned to walk here.
That's right.
I will miss my window.
Why the window?
I watched birds every morning.
That was special.
Will there be birds there?
Yes, there will be.
I hope so.
The new house has a garden.
Really?
Yes, a big garden.
With flowers?
With many flowers.
That sounds nice.
All the boxes are packed.
Everything is in boxes.
The truck is ready.
Can I look around once more?
Of course you can.
I want to remember everything.
Take your time.
This is the living room. We watched movies here. This is the kitchen. Mom made cookies here. This is my room. Goodbye, old room.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go to our new home.
How far is the new house?
Not very far.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Will I have friends there?
Yes, there are children nearby.
That's good.
You will make new friends.
I hope they are nice.
I am sure they are.
I am nervous.
That is normal. Look, we are almost there.
Here we are.
This is our new house?
Yes, it is.
It looks big.
It is bigger than our old house.
Wow!
Do you want to go inside?
Yes, please.
Come with me.
Okay, Mom.
I will wait for the truck.
Let's see your new room.
I have a new room?
Yes, upstairs.
Where are the stairs?
Right here.
These stairs are nice.
Be careful going up. This is your new room.
This room is so big!
It is bigger than your old room.
Much bigger!
Do you like it?
I think so.
Look at this window.
It's a big window.
You can see the garden.
I can see trees.
And flowers, too.
There are birds in the tree.
See, I told you.
This is nice.
Where should we put your bed?
Maybe by the window?
That's a good idea.
I can watch the birds.
Every morning.
I like that.
The truck is here now.
Can we unpack my things?
Yes, let's start.
Here are your boxes.
This one has my toys.
Let's open it.
My dolls.
Where should we put them?
On that shelf.
I will lift you up.
What's in this box?
Your books.
Oh, good. My books.
We have a bookshelf for you.
Where is it?
Right here.
It's perfect.
Let's put your books on it.
This is fun. Where should we put this?
The dresser goes here.
Can we hang my pictures?
Of course we can.
I want this one here.
The picture of our family?
Yes, I love that picture.
Me too.
Let me get the hammer.
Be careful, Dad.
I will.
There, it's up.
Perfect. My room is looking nice.
Yes, it is.
I like how it looks.
Where should this lamp go?
On my bedside table.
Good choice.
Your bed is ready.
It looks so cozy.
I put your favorite blanket on it.
Thank you, Mom.
What else do we need?
My stuffed animals.
They are in this box.
My teddy bear.
He missed you.
I missed him too.
Your room is almost done.
It looks really nice.
You did a great job helping.
We all did it together.
That's right.
Can I see the rest?
Of course.
What's this room?
This is the bathroom.
It's big.
And this is the guest room.
Who will sleep here?
Maybe Grandma when she visits.
I like that.
Come see the kitchen.
Wow, this kitchen is huge.
We can cook together here.
Can we make cookies?
Very soon.
I can't wait.
Look outside.
The garden. Can we go outside?
Yes, let's go.
Be careful on the steps.
I will. This garden is beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Look at all the flowers.
They are so pretty. What color are these?
Those are red roses.
And these yellow ones?
Those are sunflowers.
They are so tall.
Taller than you.
Can I water them?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I will help take care of them.
That's very responsible.
What's that over there?
A swing.
A swing? Really?
The old owners left it.
Can I try it? Push me, Dad. Whee! This is fun!
Not too high, dear.
Don't worry, I'm careful.
I love this garden.
I'm glad you like it.
This is better than I thought.
See, change can be good.
You were right, Dad.
Let's go back inside.
Okay, Mom. Mom? Dad?
Yes, sweetheart?
Thank you.
For what?
For my new room. For being patient with me. For making this fun.
We are proud of you.
Why?
You were very brave today.
Change is hard.
But you helped me.
We are always here for you.
I know.
Now sleep, little one. Good night, Zoya.
Good night.